Pool upkeep isn't just tedious, it's the kind of chore most of us dread. But what if your pool could clean itself while you sit back and relax? That's the idea behind true underwater automation. The iGarden Pool Cleaner K40 delivers powerful cordless cleaning that takes care of your pool from top to bottom, all without manual effort. It's designed to keep your water sparkling and maintenance stress-free. Check the link in the description to learn more. This isn't your average robot, it's a smarter, more stylish way to keep your pool in top shape. The K40's advanced scheduling and bold, modern design make it easy to forget you even have a cleaning routine. Whether you're throwing a pool party or just starting your day, the K40 ensures your water is always guest ready. It stirs up debris as it works, so the job requires more than a single pass, which is why battery life matters. The K40 has a 4-hour battery life, but depending on the model, the K-Series offers models with 2, 4, 6, or even 8-hour options, perfect for large or frequently used pools. Because it's completely cordless, there's no need to worry about tangling cables or poolside plugs. Just drop it in and let it go. The K40 uses iGarden's AI inverter tech to automatically adjust suction power, using less energy on flat surfaces and more when climbing walls. Its engineering is all about maximizing output with minimal waste, from a high-flow intake and anti-clog trapezoid filter to a powerful rear jet for extra propulsion. Plus, its compact brushless motor keeps things light but powerful. One standout feature is the smart AI timer, which lets you schedule cleaning for 1 to max hours and delay the start by up to 72 hours. The K40 enters a low-power sleep mode, then kicks into action automatically, even when you're not home. But performance is only part of the equation. Style matters too. The K40 sports a clean, aggressive design inspired by performance vehicles, along with an easy-to-use touchscreen control panel. It offers 2 main modes, floor only or full coverage, including walls and waterline. With strong grip, smooth climbing, and consistent suction, it ensures no part of your pool is left untouched. It also comes with a 3-year warranty on all electronic components and a direct replacement policy for defects, so it's built to last. Extra features like the oversized 4-liter debris basket and turbo cleaning mode make life even easier. Whether you're dealing with leaves, sand, or storm debris, just hit turbo and let it do the heavy lifting. Its smart 3DS mapping means efficient, row-by-row coverage without repeat passes, just clean, even results. Customer reviews back it up with a 4.7 out of 5-star rating. Users rave about its long-lasting battery, thorough coverage, and hands-free convenience. While a few mention that the unit is a bit heavy or that the retrieval hook could be improved, most agree that the K-Series transforms pool maintenance into a truly effortless experience. The iGarden K40 isn't just about cleaning, it's about taking back your time. With powerful automation, intelligent design, and low-effort scheduling, this robot delivers peace of mind with every cycle.